Hi guys, and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We're on a different one this week. We're on a wild camp, but it's one of these sites that you pay to wild camp. We didn't really know the crack with this area. We just wanted to get away for a weekend. It was a bit of a spur of the moment thing. So we've come to a place called Beaver Waters, even though it's spelled Belvoir. We're pitched up right by a lake. It's beautiful, it's tranquil. It's a little breezy, so you'll have to excuse the wind noise, if any. Yeah, and we just thought we'd stretch our legs a little bit. We're going to go for a walk in a little bit over to, hopefully, a pub over yonder. And then we're going to do a walk tomorrow for you as well. Watch out for goose shit. First right. Oh my god. Whoa, easy. So we had a very lovely dinner at the Staunton Arms. A very nice little pub in Staunton in the Vale. And we're about to head back now.
Walkthrough time. Also, there's a rainbow.
Morning. Sorry, morning. We got back last night. It was pretty dark by the time we got back. We were pretty well greased. You were well greased on ciders.
I only had two, but I don't drink very much now, so.
I had another Doom bar afterwards. Unfortunately, paying for a wild camping site doesn't mean you get to choose who comes next to you.
Yeah, who camps with you?
And there's literally, there are acres of space in this place, and they've put someone 100 yards away from us that way with screaming, crying children and thumping Euro dance music. I mean, it wasn't too bad. They stopped at about 10 o'clock, so you can't really ask better than that. But
I prefer to listen to the sound of nature rather than the sound of dance music.
And you think with all of this space, they could have put them somewhere else.
Yeah, there's plenty of space elsewhere.
Because there's, what we counted, 4 tents here. And there's a whole side of the lake where there's nothing. I don't know whether it's because the track in's quite bumpy and you have to drive really slowly, otherwise you scrape the bottom of your car.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if they've got a low car. The guy looked at it and went, oh, I'll have to put them as close to the thing as possible, which is just up the way from us.
Yeah, because we've got the little Peugeot.
But all in all, actually, it's not, you know, been quite a lovely little experience.
Yeah, come here again, it's nice.
Obviously we walked to the Staunton Arms yesterday and had dinner. That was very lovely.
Got scraped up though.
Yeah, we made some wrong turns on the path, got a little bit lost, ended up inside the footpath in private land and had to kind of get through a fence, and then we went the wrong way because we didn't know what way we were going. We got turned about, didn't we?
It's a bit, some of it's a bit
I'd like
overgrown.
I'd like to think we're probably fairly seasoned walkers
Yeah.
and campers, and we still got lost.
And also got scratched.
Well, not
up.
lost, but turned about, you know, which didn't really help. So yes, Mary was asleep within 10-15 minutes of being in the tent.
It was raining as well, so you couldn't get outside.
Yeah, it has been raining, but not consistently. It would rain for 5-10 minutes, then stop. Then 10-15 minutes later, it would rain for another 5-10 minutes. So you can't really do anything in that. But we're just enjoying our morning ritual. Mary's got herself a coffee and I've got a army mocha of coffee and hot chocolate. We're going to drink up, pack up, and get ourselves probably ready to go and do the walk. But I'm not massively happy about it.
It's only 4.5 miles, it's not too bad.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah,
I'm sure if there's a lure of some sort of cream cake or something
sure.
part way it's around, I'll be more interested.
Let's hope it's open on a Sunday. This place of cream
Don't
cakes.
rain on the parade. All right, so we're going to pack up, and you can watch us do that, I guess. So this is where we were. Nothing but a dry spot. No trace left. We'll have to say goodbye to Beaver Water. It's Belvoir. In the motor we go.
Gonna go in it?
No.
Are you sure?
Stupid fine.
I guess. Oh, wobbly. We have to cross the A52, which is not particularly pleasant, but it's the only part of the walk we have to do that, thank God. Wet feet.
You'll fit through there, come on.
Won't go through the hole.
Oh God.
Yeah, it's a bit rainy. Determined to do this walk though. Sheltering from the rain, don't blame them.
I'm still getting wet, but not as wet.
Tiny, tiny bit of shelter, but not really.
Do you want half a sandwich?
Yes. This is the walk of 1,000 styles, which is super fun when you have to carry the dog over them. Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty wet anyway, so it doesn't really matter if you get a bit more wet. Although these trousers are fairly waterproofy. I think they've got like a coating. See blue sky. Over there, there's blue sky. We'll probably walk round the blue sky, but there is blue sky. Fingers crossed. We're gonna walk along Winter's Beck, which is this very exciting, amazing, enormous stream.
We'll just break it open. It's all fluffy inside. Normally when they're dry, obviously when it wasn't raining.
It's not dry today.
This takes a spark really easily, but it burns very quickly, so you can't use it on its own. You've got to put it with other stuff. But that'll catch a spark like nobody's business.
Nature's timber. Reveal my horrendously bad hair.
Yeah, it's bad hair adventures.
The waterway was constructed between 1793 and 1797 to link Grantham with the River Trent at Nottingham and provide an economical means of transporting coal, stone and gravel. Although closed in 1936, it was not filled in, and the crystal clear water attracts a wealth of bird, plant and insect life along the banks.
It's raining again. It's a bit rickety, isn't it?
It's better than this. Better than standing out in that.
That's true.
I'm having a drink stop. A forced drink stop on this little bench.
Wrong pocket. Wrong pocket.
Weather's rubbish. Yuck.
That's the dog water rather than.
The sad thing is we're only just about halfway around.
No, we're about 60% of the way round now.
Well.
It's got a little fireplace on it, isn't it? Yeah. Little metal grate still in it.
A house that looks
See all the algae in the canal.
just come off the canal towpath and now we have to walk on Beaver Road, which is not particularly pleasant, and we have to cross the A52 again. Road walking is not fun. Well, it's now done. We've done that bit now, so we didn't film it because it wasn't very pleasant. So, but now James's language wasn't great. But now we're back going towards Bottesford.
That's part of the church.
Yeah, there's the spire of the church, which is where our car is.
Little puddles happening in the crease.
Oh god, that was a bit damp. It stayed me.
That way to where it's marked on the top, yeah?
The last bit of just retracing our steps back to the car. It is still raining. James is not happy.
This is a walk of 1,000 styles.
The water on everything, including this. Another bit there. Let's see if we can get into there. We'll give it a go. Good go.
So that's the walkover, guys. We got absolutely soaked, hence we're wearing different clothes.
Actually, I'm still wearing the same clothes, but
I'm wearing different clothes.
I went in the church, so I'm dry now.
Thank you for joining us on this one. We hope you enjoyed it. We had a nice time at the campsite, and then on, well, not so much a nice time on the walk.
Well,
but
what was nice, it's just the weather was a bit iffy.
Yeah.
An hour of light rain is what we were told we were getting, and that's not what we got.
We got 3 hours of heavy rain.
The dog was annoyed with us.
The dog was annoyed with us. So if you like that video, why not click the like button? You could always do us a big favour and subscribe to the channel. Or you could commit harigiri. So if you like that video, why not give the like button a click? You could do us a massive favour and hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notifications for our next video. You can always leave us a comment because we do enjoy those. So from us, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.